Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling Smart Stack live activities on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Smart Stack is a set of widgets that uses the time, your location, and activity to display the most relevant widgets to you at any given time. The Smart Stack also displays live activity widgets so that you can keep track of things in real time, such as the score of a game or progress of food delivery. Follow the steps to learn how to enable or disable Smart Stack live activities, as well as customize the settings. Tap the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down and tap Smart Stack. Then tap Live Activities. Tap the toggle to the right of Allow Live Activities to allow or disallow live activities in the Smart Stack. When the toggle is green, live activities are allowed. Below that, you can tap the toggle to allow or disallow live activities to auto-launch. The next option down is Show Live Activities on Wrist Down. With this option on, live activities will be shown in the Smart Stack even when your wrist is down. You can tap on it to turn it on or off. If you scroll down again, you can customize specific apps' live activity settings. Tap on an app to edit the live activity settings for it. You can allow or disallow live activities, and you can choose whether to auto-launch the Smart Stack, the app, or not auto-launch at all. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.